Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So it has been some time since my last video, so I was working on this CassetteAutoFeeder prototyping. So here you can see this is the new feeder design. What it has is one motor, and then it has the cover pulling, and also it can advance the tape. And here we have buttons that can control the loading and stuff. So for example, if you press the button now, so you will see actually it advance once and then it pull back the cover. So this is all happening with one motor. So you can see here, because of that, the size of the feeder is small. And then it also has this handle that you can basically attach it and then load the rear. And also the width is below 12 millimeters, so that means if you can put the feeder side by side here. And also it comes with the function of automatically identify where is the position. So you see when you attach it, it will automatically first check the tape position, and if the cover is not in position, then it will pull the cover automatically. So okay, now I move to a new slot, so I just need to discover the feeders, and then in the OpenPMP, and now if I do, then it will be able to detect the positions and then move to the new slots, and then it will do the check of the hole every when it's picking. Then it will calibrate to the positions. When it after first pick, then it will advance to the next pick when you do the next feed. But if it's like 2 millimeters pop pitch with the 4 millimeter hole pitch, then basically it will advance and do the first pick, and then after the next feed, then the next feed it will advance like 2 millimeter. Actually, it's not advanced. It's basically the head will move like 2 millimeters and then do the pick, and then the next one it will feed the hole again. So this is how it works. It supports for 2 millimeters. So you can see it's actually advancing, and every time it will just pull back the tape. So it's like two-phase actions. Yeah, just let me know what you think, and if you see something you can improve. One of the things I still need to manage the cable, so it's basically in here. So at the back I make the slot for the cable, but I'm not quite finished with it. I think I'm not so happy with this one, so there need to be some way. Maybe I need to find a new type of cable that I can put in here. And you can see also the position. How does it know the position? There is actually a let's say photon interrupter, and that actually checks the position. So that means even if the tape here is like a transparent plastic, it's still able to know the positions. Yeah, let me know what you think, and I will put over the weekend the design file into my GitHub. So just if you have any idea or any suggestions for improvement, just let me know. Yeah, thank you very much. See you next time.